San Diego 6 News in the morning. Your station for balanced news.
Thanks, Renee. Well, scientists studying an enzyme believed to bring on allergies instead make an accidental discovery of a tumor suppressor no one knew existed. One so important it may lead to developing new therapies for blood cancers. And here to talk about it is Toshiaki Kawakami, a scientist from the La Jolla Institute for Allergy and Immunology. And hey, thank you so much for coming in this morning. This is very exciting.
Yes.
So this recently came out in a journal, and so we're going to try to explain it as best as we can with your help. You're studying this enzyme that is supposed to be a role in allergies. And then what do you discover? Tell me about this process.
So we studied this enzyme using a mice that lacks this enzyme, but instead of finding allergies, we found cancers, like blood cancers. So it's kind of very, initially it's very strange and kind of shock.
But this was kind of your area of expertise before you were in this industry, was cancer research?
Yes, I started my career as a cancer researcher, and the first author of this study, Dr. Wei-Min Chao, is also very much interested in cancer. So it's kind of shock, but also we welcome this unexpected result, serendipity.
Yeah, oh yeah. So this is a tumor suppressor.
Yes.
Can you explain what that is and what this particular one is?
Yes. If cells lack this enzyme, their growth becomes uncontrollable and cancerous. So some blood cancers lack this safeguard system. That's the tumor suppressor. So
what diseases then could this potentially help?
So we found this applies to certain leukemias, lymphomas. So we are trying to apply our findings to develop a novel therapy for these kind of tumors. More specifically, some Burkitt lymphomas and also some chronic lymphocytic leukemia.
I'll tell you what, that's an industry. Yes. I've been on the board for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society for quite some time, and it's just an area where it's so hard to find those new breakthroughs. So if this could potentially help that would be a tremendous thing.
I really hope so.
Yes. Now, what is the next step then in
So
this?
we've been working to apply our finding to develop a novel therapy for more than a year. So actually we recently generated very exciting data in this direction, and we'll be able to test the PLC beta 3 based therapeutic agent very soon.
You know, I know that with scientists you work so long and so hard to find these things. Was this kind of an aha moment for you in your career where you say, oh my goodness, what have we stumbled upon here?
Yeah. Yes, it is. You know, it's really, as I said, it's kind of shock initially, but you know, when you face something unusual, usually it brings to something totally new. That's what exactly happened to us. Yeah. So we enjoyed that.
I can see the smile on your face and how proud you are of this. Okay, so I know that there are so many levels to go through in terms of it getting to human trials, but what, in the best case scenario, what could this do?
So as I said, we have some very interesting preliminary data at the level of tissue culture level. So we have to go on to animal studies, and next is human studies. So it takes somewhat years.
And this could potentially target those blood cancers and what causes it to just kind of go out of control?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I guess that's as big as layman's terms as I can get.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in. And best of luck to you. Hopefully you'll come back as you get closer and continue on. All right. For more information on this segment, go to san diego6.com and click on Hot Topics.